Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce the special head unit for Toyota Camry 27 to 2011 years. Okay, Android system is 8.0 Oreo. This is the box. Let me open the box. You can check head unit with good condition. This is head unit. Okay, let me show remove the unit. Show the harness. This is special harness for Toyota. Okay. Let me check the connector. Okay. Let me remove. I will make a clear picture to show it. Okay. This is remote controller, but the unit doesn't support DVD player, GPS antenna. External microphone. USB cable and two USB cable, external microphone. This camera input. Okay. AUX. This AUX left and right. And video input. Original USB. Subwoofer. This is audio combo. Video 1 and video 2. Okay. Audio combo, front, rear, left and right. This is audio combo. Okay. Let me show the head unit. Let me open the plastic. This head unit is 9-inch big screw. This is drum agents. You can check the head unit. 9-inch front. Okay. and the back. This is right side and the left side. Okay. And the back, you can check this radio antenna, Wi-Fi antenna, fuse, power, GPS is connected. Okay, this 9-inch RPS screw. Let me power with 12 voltage. Okay, head unit will be start up. Please take out this screw protector before using. And then you can check this front USB and the reset hole. This microphone, SD card, GPS SD card. This buttons. Okay, it's octa-core, very fast response. Okay, you can install wallpaper. Set the wallpaper. Back the home, you can check already installed. Let me check the settings. System. You can check boot machine PX5 octa-core. PX5 octa-core Android version is 8.0 Oreo. Okay. You can change this button. It doesn't support change the button color. Okay, that's all. Thank you.